Hello and welcome to my channel.
I want to show you how I'm connecting granny squares. I like to connect squares as I go, so when I make it, I'm connecting them immediately, so I have less work later. I know some people like to make the squares and then block them and then sew them. It's a lot of work in my opinion, so I like to go connect them as I work on my project, and later I just use the steam and block the project. So for me it is easier, and I've been connecting them on my Kindle sleeves, book sleeves, like all these sleeves are connected while I'm going while working on the project. It is super easy, and I think it's really convenient to do it immediately rather than later. So let's get started. So this is my second square that I'm making. I've done 2 rounds and I'm starting my third round. So I'm chaining 3 and I'm crocheting until I'm getting to the first corner. So when you get to the corner, do first half of your corner, 2 double crochets in to the corner, chain 2, and now take your first square and pull this chain 2 to the corner here. Chain 2 is through the corner, make a double crochet into the corner here, take your hook out, put it into the next stitch, pull it through and finish the corner, make the second double crochet into the corner space. Take your hook out and put it into the next stitch here, pull the loop through, and now make the double crochet into the next stitch. Keep doing your granny square as you would, but you just have to take your hook out and moving your loop through the stitches here, and you just keep going until you get to the corner spot. I think it's the easiest way to connect basic granny squares. I love it. It's simple, and I actually like how it looks. When you've done it, you see the little swirl here. I think it's a nice effect. You have 2 stitches left here, and now you go to the corner space. So pull it through the first stitch. Now make the first corner double crochet, take your loop out, put it into the other loop, and make the second corner stitch. Chain 2, and chain 2 and continue as you would with your granny square. I just finished my second square. I think it looks very pretty. I'm going to make another square and adding it on the bottom here so you can see how I'm connecting it here and what I'm going to do in the corner here. I'll see you when I'm done with my third square. I got to my first corner and did my chain 2. Now take your squares, pull this chain 2 to the corner, make a double crochet into the corner space, take your hook out and put it through the next stitch and pull the loop through it and make another double crochet into the corner and keep doing as you did earlier. So I finished the corner here, chain 2 and pull this chain 2 to the corner here, the opposite corner. So pull the chain 2 to there and just continue doing your granny square. So here are my squares done. I think it looks very pretty. I'm going to make my fourth square and gonna connect here. I'm gonna show you how I'm connecting on the both sides. So I'll meet you when I'm done with my square. So my fourth square is in the first corner. Oh my goodness. I recommend to hide them ends immediately so it's easier. But pull this chain 2 through the loop here. Double crochet into the corner, pull the loop through the first stitch, second double crochet into the corner space and keep doing the same thing until you get to the corner spot. So you did first 2 double crochets in the corner, chain 2, and now I'm going through this loop here, pull this chain through to the corner space, and continue doing until you're done with your granny square. So here I'm done connecting all 4 squares. I think it looks very pretty and there's not that big of a hole here, so that's why I like to do that. And when I'm done with my project, I just steam it and then stretch it, block it as I want. But I'm going to show you how I'm connecting when I want to make a bag, like how I'm connecting sides like that. And then I think that's all you had to know how to connect while on the go. So my square is done. First part of the corner, chain 2, and we're going to connect it like that. We're gonna connect here and here, so it's like it gets closed and you can make it into a bag. So put your wrong side up and pull it through the corner space here, and do what we've done earlier. Just connect this part and I'll see you back when we get to the corner. So we got the corner. I'm gonna do how we do the corner. That's the second double crochet. Chain 2, and pull it through the loop here and continue your corner. And when you get to the middle part here, I already did the first part of the corner. Chain 2 and pull loop through here and continue your granny square. So here it is. It's connected two sides. I think it looks pretty neat. It's easy and it's my go-to technique to use. I hope any of you can find it useful, because there's no more sewing needed when you're done with your project. Just steam your project and block it, and that's it. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.